You're welcome to LearnPod. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use style attributes to format text by setting the color, alignment, width, height, font, and some other properties like that. Knowing how to format text in HTML is very crucial. Your skill in doing this will determine how well you are able to design websites. Let's move on then. Using the style attribute is quite simple. Let us create a P element, that is a paragraph element, and say I am a paragraph. We'll save it and then we'll load it in the browser. It comes up, shows us I am a paragraph. But this doesn't really mean so much. But using the style attributes, we can be able to change the look, the characteristics, and the properties of the paragraph elements. So we can just say style. Remember, style is an attribute. We can say color, make it red. Save it, and then we reload. Good, it's now red. Now you separate that. This is a format of property, value. Let us change the background color, background minus color. Let's change it to green. We change the background minus color to green. That's good. So you can see it takes up the whole length available, because paragraph tags are block elements. They are block elements. But what else can we do? We can actually specify the width by saying 300 pixels, and then we reload, so you can see the width is right there. We can also specify the height. We can specify the height by giving it, let's say, 200 pixel, and then we reload. Okay, that's good enough. So you can see the height is 200 pixel, and we can now talk about the align the text align, and say maybe center. We'll give it center. So if we align it that center, you can see it's jumped from here to this place. We could make it right instead. We could align the text to the right. Reload, so it's now the right, but by default text align is left. By default text align is left, and that's good for us. That's good for us to get done. All right, so we still have much more properties to look into. And finally, let's add a border to this. We add a border by specifying first the border width. Let's make it 3 px, and then the border style, which is solid in this case. Then color, which color shall we use? Let's make it blue so that it is prominent. And then when we open it up, here is it. Good. So the border is blue and 3 px. We could decide to change it from the solid to the dashed, and then things will look more interesting. So it is dashed, you can see it's dashed. We can decide also to change it to dotted, so it appears quite well. Let us remove the background color, and right there, good. So that's dotted. But remember the dash, this is dashed. Good, it's dashed. And then we could have dotted, solid, and all that. So that's all about styling, text formatting using styles in HTML.